I'm on Etsy and I'm all excited. I've typed in the keyword Valentine's Day and let's make some sales. Oh, look at that. 2 million results with ads. That's some serious competition. How on earth am I supposed to look through 2 million Etsy listings and figure out how I can compete? Which niches sell, which niches don't? Oy, 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 this is going to be a big task. But it doesn't have to be a big task. In fact, it can be a fun task. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 niches that actually sell that are related to Valentine's Day. And some of them you may not really have thought of before. I'm going to be using a really cool tool to use it as well. It's easy, it's fun, and you actually can make sales. Let's jump in. The tool that I'm going to be using in this video is called EverBee, and I'll put a link to EverBee in the video description below. It's pretty cool. It's got keywords and then a keyword score. And over on the left-hand side, I'm going to click on Keyword Research, and I'm going to type in now Valentine's Day. And when I click Search, of course, I'm going to get back a ton of competition, a ton of search volume, and the keyword score is pretty bad because there's so much competition. But that's okay. I'm going to click on the keyword score here down below, descending, and we're going to be able to see different niches now that we can take a look at. Just a heads up as I do look through this, I'll put a link to EverBee in the video description, and it's an affiliate link, and that just means if you purchase the EverBee subscription, I would receive a small commission. All right, the first niche is called Match Days Shirt. And if you've never heard of Match Days before, this is why I love EverBee, because you're looking at match days going, what is this? Well, there's a 1,800 search volume in Etsy every month. There's only 198 listings. That gives you a ridiculously high keyword score of 9,230. What are match days? So many thanks to Wikipedia, we can see that match day is a term that's used when residents, which are doctors in training, they're matched up with their fellowships. So it's basically for resident doctors, interns, fellowship programs. This is a great niche, and it's very niche. Okay, so here's a great example of where you have to do a bit of hunting on Etsy because there's so few listings in this niche. So I've typed in Match Days Shirt. I get back 743 results, but a lot of the results are not necessarily for the interns and for the medicine community. Here's one that says we are a perfect match. It's a Valentine's Day shirt. Here's another one that says the boss, the real boss. These are more Valentines, right? As I scroll down though, way down, we can see this one here, Residency Match Day Signs 2024. It's not a shirt, but it's a digital download. It's $6.20. And when we click on it, we can see it's in 20 plus baskets. It's pretty expensive for a digital download, $6.20. But hey, they're one of the very few editable designs on Etsy for this exact niche. So this really speaks to the power of finding the right niche. We can see here reviews for this item 11 and reviews for the shop 212. And we can see that this seller, they've made 1,720 sales, which is not a ton, you know, I mean, hey, that's great, but it's not like they've sold 30,000, 40,000, 200,000. So this is a great example of a small niche store doing a great job of finding a proper niche. Here's another example where the store itself is branding, I think, in a great way. So this one says Matched Pediatrics. Now it doesn't say if there's a bunch in the basket, and it doesn't say if there's a bunch of sales or views. So I can't prove that this is a big seller. However, when I scroll down, I can see there's 1,500 shop reviews. And look at the different products. MedTech shirt, cardiac boo-boo shirt. Interesting. Notice a trend? They seem to be a lot of medical and a lot of medicinal, hospital-themed stuff. When I click on the owner of the shop, we can see they've made over 6,000 sales, and a lot of the designs here are medicinal in design. We can see there's healthcare, mental health, community health, nurses. This store is doing an excellent job of distinguishing themselves as a branded store. And when I say branded, what I mean is they're the nursing store, they're the community health store, they're the healthcare store. Niche number 2 is Valentine's Day t-shirts. Hey, that's pretty straightforward, but check out the way it's spelled. TEE-shirts. This exact spelling gets you 1,800 or so searches and a little over 12,000 competition. Keyword score is pretty robust at 140. Let's check this out on Etsy. Okay, so when you're on Etsy and you have a broad search term like this, what I would recommend is looking through the different designs, seeing what you like, seeing what's selling, and then ask yourself, can you compete visually, graphically with those designs? So here's a great example. This is a gnome that's spelling out the word love. 4 gnomes, L-O-V-E. So it's kind of a cross niche, right? Because people like gnomes, people like Valentine's Day, and by cross niching, this is a great opportunity for you to take advantage of both. In 16 baskets, there is a sale going on. The price point's pretty good, but you can see here there's a huge amount of reviews for this shop. Here's another one that's really straightforward. It just says love. It's got a retro stripe on it. This is a very elegant design. It doesn't need to be super complicated. 8 views. And as we scroll on down, there's a ton of different reviews for this shop. So absolutely, there's some sales here. Reviews for this item, 19. If you're on Etsy and you're wondering if this is sold, you can scroll down and you can see reviews for the item and then reviews for the shop. You want to click on reviews for the item and you'll see this specifically for that item. So they've sold at least 19 because 19 people have left reviews. And here's another one that's pretty straightforward. It's a dandelion, and you can see the little hearts are blowing off the dandelion. Again, there's no words. It's very straightforward. It's a very elegant design, and it's in 9+ baskets, and reviews for this item, 46. Can you compete in this niche? You don't have to have a ridiculously complicated design in order to attract attention. Okay, and the third niche is funny gift for boyfriend Valentine's Day. It's a long search term, but you can see almost 2,000 people are searching for it every month, and the competition's a little more than 30,000. The keyword score is 60, which is pretty good. Let's check it out. When we go into Etsy and we type in funny gift for boyfriend, we're going to see that we get back about 16,000 results with ads. And some of these are going to be a little raunchy. They're going to be a little bit naughty, but that's kind of what you want when you're trying to sell on Etsy. This is niche. I love funny designs, and here's a great one. It's in 13 baskets. Happy Valentine's Day from the best decision you ever made. $8.65 for a card. It does include the shipping, but that's pretty good markup. And for print on demand, lots of companies like Printful or Printify, they'll offer up cards. So you could certainly sell something like this. Reviews for this item, 344. And you can see right here, this is a great example. The comment, after 40 years of marriage and 43 Valentines, I seriously wanted something different. And this was perfect. He loved it as much as I did. Isn't that the truth? Sometimes we want a unique, naughty, raunchy gift idea. Here's another one. This one's not necessarily for the boyfriend, but I noticed it when I was searching through. Funny Valentine's Day nursing sweatshirt. I love cross niching, so I'm always paying attention to this. You can see these are like the candy hearts that we used to eat when we were kids, and there's a bunch of different nursing terms on there. 20+ views in the last 24 hours. $48 is a pretty aggressive price point. Maybe you can sell it for slightly less and have a similar design. I'm not suggesting to copy the design. I want to throw that out there, but maybe you can have a similar theme and you could have a better price point. That's how you can compete. And here's one that's just completely off the rails. If this is lit, it's a candle. Dennis probably farted. Poor Dennis, or whoever you are, because this is a customized product. So really what this is you can buy a candle, and you can then buy a sticker. You can throw it on the candle. They just get a transparent sticker printed, and then they just put it on the candle. Well, a candle, you can buy it at a dollar store for $1, $2, maybe even $5. This is $26 Canadian, and it's even on sale. It's in 15+ baskets, and we can see here there's 150 shop reviews. It's a very, very popular item. Customized gifts are extremely popular on Etsy. I really hope you found this walkthrough helpful. I'm going to put a link to EverBee in the video description below. Make sure to click on it, check it out. I love using EverBee. It's fun, it's fast, and it's really a cool way to find different niches that work that actually do make sales. Here's another video on how you can supercharge your print on demand and crafting journey and have some fun doing it.